Quick note, I'm channeling energetic, myth-busting science vibes, not an exact imitation. Myth: your heart stops when you sneeze. Fact: it doesn't. Your chest pressure spikes, nerves fire, and your heartbeat can momentarily change rhythm, like a hiccup in the drumline. But it never just stops. So why do we sneeze? Think of your nose as a smart air filter. Dust, pollen, pepper, cold air, bacteria. Here's the chain reaction. Irritants poke receptors in your nose. A signal rockets to your brainstem, specifically the sneeze center, diaphragm, chest, throat, tongue, eyelids. You do a big inhale, clamp for a split second, then blast air out at highway speeds, sometimes over 100 miles per hour. That burst shakes loose the junk and launches it away like confetti you did not ask for. Why do we close our eyes? Reflex. Your facial nerves are wired together, so when the sneeze fires, your eyelids auto-flinch. They're not keeping your eyeballs from popping out. That's another myth. Sun making you sneeze? That's the photic sneeze reflex. Bright light cross-wires the optic and trigeminal nerves in some people, so a sudden glare equals an accidental sneeze trigger. Pepper? That stingy compound activates TARPA1 receptors, basically your nose's smoke alarm. Allergies: multiple rapid-fire sneezes, itchy eyes, clear drip, cold flu. Fewer sneezes, thick mucus, body aches. Best sneeze etiquette: aim for the elbow, not the hands. Use a tissue, toss it, wash up. Trying to hold a sneeze by pinching your nose can spike pressure and, in rare cases, cause ear or throat injuries. So let it fly responsibly. Bottom line, a sneeze is your body's built-in leaf blower. Fast, loud, and surprisingly precise. Annoying? Sure. But it's your nose doing maintenance in real time. Bless you, and your air filter.